Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the new Windows 11 Insider Preview watermark permanently in 2026. I tried many different methods to remove the watermark, but none of them worked. However, this method works. Open Control Panel. Open Ease of Access Center. Click Make the computer easier to see. Check the box for Remove Background Images. Click Apply, then click OK. You'll see that the watermark has been removed. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.